Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, guess what I got right here? You got it because I put it in the, well, I'll just show you. This was what it was wrapped in. It's just a piece of brown paper with a sticker that has the Brahmin ship on it. And that is because I think the boxes that normally would have brought in a product, they're not really using them anymore. So that's why you don't see the outer box. Like even when I've bought a high-end one, like I'm trying to think what I've bought in the past 2 years that's high-end, but like just say it was a Chanel. It doesn't come with the Chanel box anymore. It just comes with the dust bag, and that is the case here as well. So I am doing an unboxing of this Brahmin, and we shall decide if I will keep it. I'll definitely always look at your comments below and what y'all have to say about what you think about the bag. And of course I know ultimately what matters is, do I like it? And some of you have said, you know, if you like it. But I do care about what y'all think and look at your suggestions and stuff like that just to see what do you suggest. So it is just a regular plastic. I mean, it's a Brahmin bag. It's a legitimate, even the outer plastic bag is a real Brahmin bag. And then some cardboard pieces that, you know, just protect it. And this is what it looks like. Let me hold the handles up. Now I'm not going to take these thingies off until I'm pretty sure I like it. Now this is a, it's at first I thought when I looked at it online that it was more like a denim, but definitely has a silver. I'm going to just angle it so you can see the sheen, different angles. Now I'm just going to hold it real close, super close, and pull it back a little, and that will help it focus in on any kind of ombre effect, any kind of sheen effect, so at different angles you can see what this actually looks at, because you've got to realize that when somebody is filming, there's lights here. I have two big huge lights, and that is definitely going to affect what you see. It does have the 4 feet on the bottom. As you can see, Brahmin always pays attention to the detail, even on the bottom. Then on the back, oh, by the way, the name of this is the DUXBURY. There's the large DUXBURY, which I have several of, and I've done reviews on those. This is just the DUXBURY, so it's just a little bit smaller, but it's the same exact style. And this particular ombre, which is a blue ombre, blue silver ombre, is called Serenity Ombre. And this is the Melbourne, and is genuine leather, and it was $275. On the back here, you see where you can slip your cell phone in there. That's what I think it was meant to be. This feels, it has to loosen up a little, really, to be honest with you, before you can fit your cell phone in there very well. Because, see, I can barely get in 4 fingers. And so my cell phone is wide enough. That'll be a tight one. Does it go long enough? I'm pretty sure it would. Yeah, it does. It'd probably stick out the top. I don't have my cell phone handy, y'all, to show you that. So why did I get this one? It's the color. And also, I don't think I have any other DUXBURYs except for the very first one in my collection. Y'all comment below if you would like to see my Brahmin collection. Again, I haven't done it in a few years, and certainly I've added to it by now. But the original DUXBURY that I had, my husband literally had just gotten paid. We walked into a Dillard's, and he said, I said, I love that handbag, and he looked at the lady and said, well, take it. And I looked at him. This is before I'd ever even looked at expensive handbags before. And I said, don't say that. You didn't even look at the price. And I think it was like $345. I was like, you need to, you know, hold up there. And he's like, no, we'll take it. And I told the lady, I said, no, I don't think we can do this. I said, sweetheart, you didn't even look. It's a very expensive bag. And he goes, no, I'm fine with it. If that's what you want, we'll take it. And I said, no, I don't want you to spend that kind of money on me. Blah, blah, blah. And the lady looks at him and goes, don't tease her. He wasn't doing it. Was me. I was the one that was like, no, I don't think we should spend this money. So it's just funny. But anyway, Brahmin was the first really expensive handbag outside of Coach's. I had bought some Coach's, and that's in the $200, $300 range handbags as well. And later on, after I started getting interested in Brahmins and Coach's, I started getting into the more expensive Coach's. So here is the size. I'm putting it right next to my face so you can see how much it opens. Okay, so let's take the stuffing out. That's the only real way to see. Of course, here is the shoulder strap in the same color and pattern, which again is Serenity Ombre. It's a silvery denim color is what it looks like. It's like the color of denim. It's a blue, but it has a silvery metallic, if you will, overtone. Okay, and then of course down in here is 2 pockets, and of course their signature key holder, little hook here, spring ring hook, and then on this side is a zip pocket. And some of the older ones had a little zip pocket up here, which I was told, I've been told several things. It's everything from a compact case, like a mirror holder, to it's a jewelry pouch, like a jewelry holder. And I've never quite understood why would you put that in a purse, unless you had a jewelry repair to do, or you carry an extra pair of earrings or a necklace or ring when you go place. I don't know. I never understood that. Of course, in this pocket is the registration card. So if I keep it, I'll need to do that. And it's got on the back the actual style number and DUXBURY satchel. And so this is the regular size, not the large DUXBURY, but the DUXBURY satchel. Serenity Ombre Melbourne is the name of this style. Okay, so, and it's a leather pull, and that's it. It's got the Brahmin dust bag in the bottom. So what do y'all think? I'll put it over my arm so you can see. It's easily on your arm just like any satchel would be. It's very pretty, shimmery. This could be everything, no kidding, this is because of the metallicness, the metallic finish, this could be everything from an evening bag, like something for a date night or out with the girls, or you know, just something fun to go do, go watch a movie or whatever, to just an everyday with a pair of black pants and a white shirt. You know, it's just, or denim, you know, dress up some of your denim. So I feel like this is a bag that really could go with quite a bit. There would be only a very few things I wouldn't pair this with, and that might be extremely warm tones like orange, maybe certain colors of yellow or burgundy that just don't seem to complement this color. I'm not saying you couldn't wear this, because I was going to say brown, but you could wear this with brown. I would keep it with cool tone colors. Black and white's always, you know, obvious, but the cool tone reds, the cool tone, even if you want to do a cool tone orange, you could if it was something like melon, or I just wouldn't put it with the brights of warm tones. You could even use this with a pale yellow. I just don't know that I'd put it with a canary yellow. You know what I'm saying? Or a bright banana color or something like that. I do maybe a pastel background on the warm colors, which pastels are not really warm, are they? But anyway, same thing with the greens. I don't know that I'd put this with evergreen, but I'd have no problem putting it with mint. As long as there's a cool undertone, I think you could use this, because this clearly is a cool undertone. Even though it does not have silver hardware, it has gold hardware. So, again, if I slide this, you can see what the handle looks like. And of course it has the bag tag, hang tag, and it's the modern version, you know, that it's shiny. Both sides is the ship, the Brahmin ship. And again, get that out of the way. So y'all comment below, what do you think? It's I'm putting it right by my face so you see the size. Same size as my other DUXBURY. And You know, comment below. I'll tell you the exact measurements real quick. It is about 12 inches wide and about 10 inches tall and about 5 inches deep. So, I'll let you know the size. It's just a really good size. I mean, I could put my my medium to small size purse organizer, or just use, you don't have to have a purse organizer. It does protect the inner part of the purse, but also you can take it from purse to purse, and you don't have to reorganize everything. Just, it's a new place to sit in it. But you can do the same thing with little pouches, makeup pouches, cosmetic pouches, whatever kind of pouches you like, just to have some order inside. Or if you want to, some people get a lot of satisfaction of just throwing their wallet, throwing a lipstick. I don't advise that on any of the cosmetics because it can mess up the inside of the bag. But if that's how you like to do things, you don't want the structure, or some people feel like they're held back by that, too much order, fine. Just throw everything in there. And some people just like to fish around in their purse. They like that feeling of going in their purse and looking for something. That's fine too. Again, let me pull this back because I think I am going to keep this. But what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Do you like it? What are your thoughts? That's what it looks like right there. I think it's really just a good all-around bag that could just be used really every single season, even fall. I probably would least use this in the fall also because I have so many brown purses, but I could use this spring, summer, and winter. It's got kind of a snowy, icicle look to it right now. So anyway, I would welcome your comments, and let me know if you want me to do a Brahmin review of all my handbags if you're interested in that. Okay, and I'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye!